Alright everybody, welcome back. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise in this. Got a lot of fans going on. But this is a 3-row kit for a Polaris slingshot, and this is going to Thomas. This is just part of his kit, but this is what I've got finished so far that I'm doing the testing on. He's got some hoop lights and some spring lights and some other stuff, I think. But we're going to test this real quick, make sure everything works. Everything lights up, everything's all in sequence, so we're looking good. So if you guys are looking for a set, you know, I do these all the way up to a 10-row. Obviously that kind of lighting requires a lot of power, so there's a lot of additional components to go with those kits, but got everything on the website, so there's prices and options there. There's body kits, there's underbody kits, side body kits, hood kits, eyebrow kits, interior, exterior kits, wheel light kits, you name it. And of course I can custom build anything that you want to. So got any questions, reach out to me. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.